A fire with a watch and a red flag warning have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 46 degrees under clear skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Overnight, clear skies, low 42. Wind south at 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Monday, a mainly sunny sky, high 81. Higher wind gusts is possible. And Monday night, a mostly clear sky, low 56. Wind south at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Our week ahead.